Hello, in this demo, I will show you how to set up a connection between two JIRA Cloud instances. This is not only limited to JIRA. You can also use Exalate to set up an integration between other platforms like ServiceNow, Zendesk, GitHub, and Azure DevOps. Note, to set up your first configuration, Exalate needs to be installed on both instances, meaning your instance and the destination instance on the other side. Each instance must have a valid Exalate license. Well, let's get started. To make it easy to demonstrate, I have my two instances. I called it the blue company and the red company. Open in separate tabs. I will start by going to the JIRA admin settings at the top right corner of the screen and click on Manage Apps. The Exalate panel is now added to this sidebar where you can access all options. To create a connection, click on Connections. Here you have a new window where you can either initiate a connection or accept an invitation. Go ahead and initiate connections. Choosing your destination instance type. Here we have three destination instance types. The public, which is the first option on the left, is the public to public connection type, which indicates that both instances are public and accessible from the outside. Next is the public to private connection type. For instance, if you want to connect the JIRA server to the JIRA cloud, the firewall cannot be opened to inbound connections for security reasons. And because all connections are built private to public, no inbound connections are necessary. But you can still have a bidirectional synchronization between the two environments. And finally, the local connection is for when you want to synchronize two local projects, for instance, between your service desk and a software project. Let's choose the public to private type for now. Click on Next. Next up is your connection details. Here you enter the local and the remote instance short names. I will go ahead and call this Blue Company. And I will call this Red Company. The connection name is generated automatically. These names helps you to identify specific connections more easily. Next, you can optionally add description. I'll click on Next. Here I will select the project where I want to create issues that will be received from the other side, which is from the Blue Company. I'll go ahead and choose Blue Product as my project type. Initiate. Wow. Exalate generates an invitation code which we can copy and click on Done. Wow. One side of the connections is all set up. The next is accepting the invitation from the other side. I will switch over to the right company. I will start again by going to the JIRA admin settings, clicking on Manage Apps, clicking on Connections. At this point, we are accepting invitation and not initializing a connection. So we click on Accept Invitation. And here we paste in the invitation code we copied earlier from the Blue Company. We click on Next. We accept invitation. Next. Here, we select a project where we want to create issues received from the blue company. I'll scroll down. And I'll select red product. I'll confirm. Yo, congratulations, connections is established, and we can go ahead to use Exalate to synchronize issues and more. Thank you.